Meet Alex. Alex is a normal person. He's got dreams, goals, and a browser history he'd rather not talk about. Right now, Alex is about to do something he'll regret in 10 minutes, but he can't seem to stop himself. And if you've ever found yourself in the same chair, feeling the same shame, stick around. This might be the most important video you watch today. See this? This is Alex's brain, and right now, it's about to hit the dopamine jackpot. For the next few minutes, Alex will feel amazing. But here's the problem. That amazing feeling always comes with a price, and Alex is about to pay it. It starts with a trigger: stress, boredom, loneliness, fatigue. Your brain remembers that porn gives instant relief. Just one quick look, nobody will know. You deserve a break. Then comes the ritual: the closed door, the private browser, the "this is the last time" promise. For those few minutes, it feels like winning the lottery. All your problems disappear, but then reality crashes back in. Hard. What's wrong with me? I said I wouldn't do this again. I'm so weak. Nobody would respect me if they knew. That shame, that disappointment, that becomes the next trigger. It's a perfect awful cycle. Here's what's actually happening in Alex's brain. Porn supercharges your brain's reward system. It's like building a 10-lane highway directly to Pleasureville. Meanwhile, normal pleasures, exercise, conversation, hobbies, they become like walking through mud. They can't compete with that dopamine superhighway. That's why nothing else feels satisfying anymore. Your brain's reward system has been hijacked. Step 1: awareness. The first step is seeing the cycle for what it is. It's not about willpower, it's about brain chemistry. Step 2: replace, don't erase. You can't just stop a habit, you have to replace it. When the urge hits, do something else immediately. Go for a 5-minute walk. Do 10 push ups. Call a friend. Take a cold shower. Step 3: restore balance. Over time, those dirt paths to normal pleasure become highways again. The porn superhighway starts to fade. It takes about 30 to 90 days for your brain to reset. It's not easy, but it is simple. If you see yourself in Alex's story, here's what you need to know. You're not broken. You're not alone. This is a chemical problem, not a moral failure. Recovery is possible. Millions of people have walked this path before you, and millions have found freedom on the other side. Here's your next right step. Path A: keep struggling alone. Path B: learn how to rewire your brain. If you choose Path B, subscribe. Next week, we're breaking down exactly how to build new habits that actually stick. We'll cover practical strategies, morning routines, and how to handle urges when they hit. You deserve freedom. You deserve to look in the mirror and feel proud. Take the first step today.